Neera Mishra, M.R. Venkatesh, Mohammad Tausif Rahman and Atikur Rahman. Atikur Rahman will open the debate with Neera Chauhan. You see, if people have taken part in a conspiracy, Neera, then when they are caught, they should admit it. Yogendra Yadav has therefore taken part in a conspiracy. There is this picture of him with Omar Khalid, Sarjeel Imam, Tahira Daud, Prashant Tandon. I have it with me, viewers. Picture is in my hands here. But these people won't admit it. They want to use the students. They are frustrated politicians. I mean, Yogendra Yadav, ex-cephalogist, frustrated politician who can't win a corporation election. Am I right? I can be more descriptive, but this is the way I look at it. It's my freedom of expression.
Good evening.
So, Neera, why don't they admit that they've been caught?
Yes. Good evening, Arnab. Critical that it is high time they realized the grave damage they have done and the conspiracy in which they have been involved from a long time. It's not that they were just there in the last 1 month. It's a long drawn conspiracy, the way we have analyzed it.
Yeah.
See, we went on a fact-finding team with a member of very senior people, IAS officer, IPS officer, judge, a doctor from AIIMS, an advocate who is a cyber expert. And the facts that we have found are absolutely shocking, that how people who are in the name of trying to be liberal, trying to be democratic, are actually subverting the same process of democracy. First by being a part of the conspiracy, and now by trying to stop the legal process also. The conspiracy has been revealed by the, not only what we saw there, by the testimony of witnesses, the planning, the timing, the location, and the huge amounts of money that was strolling into the pockets of their select people who have been all part of a huge gang funded by outsiders, but planned by these people like, as you just said, failed politicians, aspiring politicians. And Arnab, there is something I'm going to tell you today, which will be, it is something more that needs to be actually investigated by the police. The first thing after the riots, the huge halla was, out of the 50 plus people who died, majority were Muslims. I'm sorry, it was planned to such a T that the local innocent, naive people of the locality who were used by these handlers, there is a doubt that were they the people who were also destroyed by them to destroy the evidence? I'm sorry I'm saying this, but the way things have exploded, each and everything was planned to the T.
I also